Alright, so I got some motivation out of nowhere, and I decided to fab up some stuff. I just got straight into it. I didn't even think about grabbing my camera. But I'll show you what all I've done. I pretty much just started making my own A-pillars and like the crossbar for the front. And I'll show you what it looks like. 1 second. Alright, so it's not even tacked. Literally just sitting there and got one magnet holding it, but just it's all notched. I only notch with a grinder. I don't notch with hold on, let me grab a slide. All right, so I only notch my bars with a grinder because I don't have like a tubing notcher, and I honestly think that they are overrated for how much they are. Because it took me like 30 minutes to notch these. They're not perfect yet, but they're very close. And you know, I just notch them real quick, and then I have everything fit in here the way I want. And then from here to the actual halo up here is going to be another bar, which is sitting right there. So the ones that I got from Jegs, I'm actually going to be able to use now because I'm doing it this way. And then I'll cap off the ends once I'm done with it, and it'll look real pretty. So once I have all this tacked in, like I'm not going to tack the bottom at all. I'm just going to tack the actual bar right here to the crossbar. And then tack my A-pillar bar to my halo, and then to this bar up here. And then I can pull this whole assembly down, like the main hoop, the halo, everything. Pull it all down in one unit or whatever, and weld everything solid, and then put it back up where it needs to be, because it's already tacked. So I just slide it back up, and I don't have a floor in here, so I don't have to cut a hole in my floor. So that's good. And I'll be able to throw it back in here completely solid, ready to go. It's getting close. It's getting real close. I'm ready. And then I'm gonna have to build some back bars. I'm gonna do X brakes back there. All right. Well, I got a couple tacks in it. I had to measure everything, make sure everything was straight, and I put a level on it right here, and made sure everything was level. I leveled out the down bars going down, and now it's getting late, so I'm probably not gonna put the actual A-pillar bars in or cut them or anything, because it's already like after 10, and my neighbors live like 8 feet away from me. I want to really bad. I'm like feeling the motivation, but I know I shouldn't. So that's what sucks about living in like a really tight little neighborhood. So yeah, I've got this all done, at least this much. Hold on, let me grab this leg. So it's looking pretty good. Like I said, I didn't even tack the bottom at all. I just have it held in there with that magnet. It's just for fitting purposes right now. It's actually up against where the dash used to bolt in. I'm not gonna run the stock dash. In fact, I threw it away because it was trash. It was literally falling apart. But I'm gonna put a sheet metal dash in here, and it's gonna be completely custom, everything. But from these bars, I'll have my front bars going out into my subframe and everything, because I'm gonna put all new suspension and rack and manual rack and all that too. So going on. I wish I had more privacy to where I could keep working on this, because I'm like feeling really motivated. hopefully I can get back at it tomorrow. I'm excited. It's hard to hold in my excitement. Getting this cage done has been a big deal for me because nobody makes a cage for this, and I looked everywhere to find something that was close and all the right measurements. So I've pretty much just pieced together. I don't have a tubing notcher or a notcher or a bender, so I had to buy a main hoop that was the closest I could find. But, okay, so on the next episode or next video I put up, I'm gonna fit the A-pillar bars and notch them and everything, tack them in, and then I'm gonna drop the whole cage, and then weld everything solid, and then I'll paint all the rest of this while it's pulled down, and then I'll put it back in and tack it or weld everything solid because it's ready to go after that. And then I'll have to put my door bars and my harness bar in, but I gotta order my seats. I haven't ordered them just yet, so that's coming up next. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends the nightmare's coming. It's coming a lot faster than I thought. I'm very happy with the progress. It's all time that I didn't think that I had before, and I'm glad that I took the time to just start working back on this thing. It's been sitting for years. Thank y'all again. Nightmare out.